Yo, yo, 1 2 1 2. Is the mic working? Yes, it is. How are you guys? Hope you have a beautiful day. We have an amazing week behind us in the crypto space. I wasn't making any lives because I was more focused on trading. And yeah, so now for the second time, we breached all time highs today at 70K. Last time it was 69, 150, I believe, or 250. So two times big rejection. I mean, we can take a look at it. Before we do that, what is up today? The most meme coins, all the wolf coins, bonk, also an amazing performing meme coin. Waifu, or what's the name of this one? Somebody took a picture in their basement of their dog. Then Pepe, Floki, we all know. All the meme coins are pumping. Last bull run, this was a sign of a top. This bull run, we are more used to meme coins, so that's why they are pumping early, because they hope that potentially they can make their 1,000 or 10,000 X they wish for. So let's see if they can make $1 million with a $100 investment. Let's go. Then Pulse Chain up 23.3% in the last day. Hex 20%, eHex 13%. Here Shiba Inu 11%, which performed quite well last week. Which RA Rune is back also. This token, I don't know what's that. Zebu. Okay. Don't know that coin. Immutable X. Having a great time also. Injective a little bit, slowing down the last days, which is great because we already did what, 30-40x. Same with BitGet at all-time highs, so they chill a little bit out. Hex had HBAR had a great performance, 13% in a week, 80% last month in the last 30 days. So what, Filecoin, people always say, yeah, coins from last bull run are not working. I mean, 120% in 30 days, which is very great. It's also, people don't understand that we that are here for a few years, we are not looking for these 1,000, 10,000 X's. We are looking for decent investments that make 10 to 20x in a bull run, but we make a little bit more money. We put more money on that project. Like if you have like 300, 500, 1,000, 3,000 bucks to play, I mean, these meme coins are great plays. I mean, if you put in 30K, that means you at least have 300 to $3 million, so that you can play with that kind of money in these projects, because they can make 100% today and go to zero tomorrow. So be careful, guys. Don't forget to take some profits in these particular projects when you're up significantly. Okay, people tend to always see prices higher. For example, I hear people saying Pepe to 1 cent. I mean, Pepe to 1 cent, it would need to knock out, it would need to make another 1,000x to be at a tenth of a cent. So it needs to make a 10,000x from here. A 10,000x on $2.97 billion. So this is the perfect exit liquidity the big guys need in their projects. So you need to be aware of that. Then I'm waiting a little bit more for more people to come in, because I have very interesting charts here that give you an idea of what happens after a bull run. And if you are a long-term investor, you should really be careful about what I'm showing you now. So this is a historical snapshot of the 10th of November 2013. So these are all the coins that were in the top 100 back then. So let's take a look. What do we see here? We see Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP. I would bet that 90% of you don't even recognize one single other coin. Maybe, no, not one single other coin. Look, do you think back then in 2013, all these top 30 projects, bro, do you heard about Franco? It's the greatest coin ever. It will take over BTC. Bro, barbecue coin. It's the greatest meme coin ever. It will take over the space, bro. Infinite coin, bro. Gold coin, digital coin, Ix coin, blah blah blah. Feather coin, Prime coin, Terra coin. Where are these coins? Name coin, Nova coin, Billion, Mine coin. Where are these projects? These projects don't exist anymore. Let's go see. 2016. 2 bull runs ago. What do we know? We know Bitcoin, we know Ethereum, we know XRP, we know Litecoin, we know Monero, we know this, we know Dash, we know NEM. But for the rest, other than Dogecoin and Stellar Lumen and Lisk and Zcash, nothing survived, okay? Nothing survived. Nobody cares, nobody even knows that these projects once existed. And this will happen to a lot of projects. 95% of the projects you have your money in, and you look back in 5 years, you will not see them anywhere. So be careful when you comment on somebody's tweets, posts, videos, how great you are an investor because you bought meme coins that made a 10x, that made a 20x, that made a 30x. Be sure you sell at the right moment, because if you don't, you'll be fucked, okay? I know this from experience. Don't think that we as an XRP community don't trade these coins or buy these coins. It's not because we love XRP that we don't buy other projects. It's just that people that just buy XRP because they see $10,000 prediction, that they now missed everything else in the bull. But remember this, okay? Remember, Potcoin, okay? Created in the basement, as every other fucking coin. It's still the same today, guys. 99% of the projects are just trash, okay? So, other than, let's say, the first, yeah, let's go to Dogecoin. These projects will most likely be their next bull run, okay? And then maybe 5-10 different others. The rest, guys, the rest is not gonna exist anymore, okay? No matter how great you think these projects are, they will not exist anymore. Every single bull run that happened, and it's a fact, okay? Maybe now where it's a little bit more trusted in the world, maybe a little bit more projects start to survive because people know now what to look for, okay? But remember this, guys, it's not a joke, it's real. Like 90% of the tokens are gone next bull. So don't think you have the greatest project ever in your wallet. Maybe you have a great performer. Look, Simpson Family, Don Juan Cat, blah blah blah. All these sites here, all these coin ranking sites are fucking playing with you, guys. None of these projects are gonna change nothing in this world, okay? These projects are just to make you individually money, okay? But it will change nothing for good in the world. This is more likely the reason why people don't look at crypto still today. From the whole world that has internet access, let's say 5 billion people, not even 5% have a crypto wallet or ever created a crypto wallet. So don't be confused when you see something run at 10x. It does mean nothing, okay? It does mean nothing. If retail goes into a project, let's say retail, the retail are 5% of 95% of the population owning 5% of the fortune. These are the guys making the projects pump. But when the big guys come in, which we started to see now with the ETFs, there's a whole different kind of money coming in. And you need to prepare, because if the money hits the market and you are in meme coins, you will miss the greatest shift ever, okay? This is also their goal. Their goal is to make you froth for projects that will not survive. No matter if it's a meme coin, an AI project, a metaverse coin, a DEX, a CX, no matter what it is, it's all the same. And it will look, most visited, cat girl. It's just like, this gives me like chills, you know, because it's just not what it used to be, you know. Like, it's just, let's look at some more tokens here. What do we have here? It's just hilarious, guys. Most of these projects are down in the last 24 hours, but they pop up on the scanner because they choose to make it pop up. There are other projects that made more than 41% in the last 24 hours. Why are they here? Recently added. Okay, yeah, that was my fault, sorry. So recently added, most visited, trending. Let's go to trending. Jasmine, great coin, okay? Solana. Bro, like what? It's just like, okay. I'm really happy for everybody that made great money in here. 39 million market cap. This is a baby boomer coin. Like, this could run really high just because people like to gamble. This will, in my opinion, I'm gonna Solana, I need to hold that in mind. But look, for the rest of all the trending coins, let me list a few players that are good. Jasmine coin, Fetch AI, Say. What else? Cardano, obviously. Bitcoin, obviously. Dogecoin, I don't know. Maybe Elon Musk is scamming all of you. I would not trust that hard in that coin. Meme AI. This guy was really creative. Imagine, bro, I have a new name for our token. Meme AI, like making 13x in 30 days. Like, it just makes no sense. No value, no whatsoever. But good project, Render. Solana, Polygon, they have public keys, I don't like it. Ethereum, Bonk, one of the best performing meme coins in this bull run. Jupiter, I believe, could see a significant increase because Solana is really getting hyped, and this is a decentralized exchange only at $1 billion. So let's say Solana could reach 100 to 300 billion in this bull run. So this could take, let's say, 5 to 10% of its market cap. Okay. Ondo, good project too. Okay, let's go. Terra Classic up 76%. People are so stupid, it's crazy. Manta Network, okay. Good protocol, new protocol. Tron, still existing. Convex, great. Engine, okay, don't know really what their developments are. Conflux, great project. But BNB, don't know. Osmosis, a little retarded. Like Mantle, great. Arbitrum, great. Ocean Protocol, great. But all the rest, like Cook, look, there's a reason why they show you this here in the top coins. You know? Surely not. Because from right now on, it are the best investments. I mean, these investments, you already missed them. Like maybe there's another 10x, 20x in Pepe, but you will see 10 and 20x's everywhere in a few. So you need really to know where you want your 20x to be made, you know. So I see a few people coming in. Look, guys, I was just talking about historical snapshot from previous bull runs, because people invade chats on Twitter, YouTube, even in my videos, talking about that XRP and Ethereum and all these are shit coins, and that meme coins and AI are the greatest, and blah blah blah. And I just wanted to illustrate what it could mean for these projects in the next 5 years. So let's go to 2013. Okay, sorry, this is the wrong, give me 2 sec. So this was in the bull run 2013 to 2014-15. So which coins do you recognize? Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP. So I would assume that 99% of people that watch my videos don't know any other of these projects. And believe me, guys, Gamecoin, it's the biggest, it's the best project in this bull run, okay? This is gonna outperform everything. Junkcoin also, it did an amazing 300x in the bull run. Look, bro, I found the best coin. It is Freycoin. It is, look at all these projects. You don't know any one of these projects. And this is like 10 years ago. Okay, so let's look in 2016. Not last bull run, but the previous one. Which coins do you know? Maybe here you know 6 to 8 coins, but the rest you don't know them, okay? Like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, Ethereum Classic, Dash for the people that are in before 2020, no Dash. It's doing nothing. Then Made Safe coin, NEM. NEM is still there today, but nobody cares about it. Steam, Argue. Look, there's just Dogecoin, XLM, Zcash that made it through, like, and the first coins. So when somebody talks and you like, for example, you like XRP and people tell you that it is a shit coin, show them this. Show them how long we survived and what we did in the last bull run with all these problems on our back, with the SEC and all these things that were going around, okay? So people think because they put money in something and it makes let's say a 50x, that actually they made a great investment when it comes to due diligence and all that stuff. But that's completely false, guys. It was luck, basically. So when you want to understand where to park your money for the next, let's say 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you really need to know what will survive. And believe me, here, what you see here, maybe 5 coins will survive, okay? In the next 2 runs. This is what you need to hold in mind, which tells you that taking profit is essential to survive. No matter how much you are up, believe me, a 10x, let's say you are up 100x and it crashes 95%, you are up 400% on your investment. Okay? And coins like this, I mean, look, it looks like he took this photo in his house from his dog. Like, it's not even, they don't even know how to make collages, how to make brands, how to make something. It's just trash, guys. It is, but it's going up. So if you buy them, know that it is what it is, okay? And don't expect something. Just put a little bit of money in and make great gains or not, you know, and take profit if you make gains. This is the only thing I want to really, for you to understand, because I'm here since 2015. I missed a lot of opportunities. I made good money. Like, it's impossible to be in every project. So if the 5-10 projects you are in make combine the 30x, bro, you made a really, really great investment. Like, if, for example, the majority of meme coin investors invest like $100 to $1,000. I mean, who cares? Like, if you lose $1,000, nobody cares. Like, it changes nothing in your life. But if you have 100k, 500k, a million in crypto, you are not buying $1 million worth of waifu coin. It just makes no sense. You know, like, this is pure speculation. There is no backed evidence, there's no utility, there's nothing. Okay? And as long as you hold that in mind, make profits, but don't forget to take them off the table. Nobody of these coins survived. Expect 5 coins, 6 coins, okay? So expect this to happen over and over again. It's always the same, okay? Always the same. So be careful, guys. This is the only thing I will say. Because Of course, since 2 weeks, Robinhood investors, since Bitcoin hit its all-time high or was shortly before, all these great investors with their $300 investments come into your comments and shit you in your face because you don't buy Wi-Fi coin. Okay, so don't feel bad, guys. Don't feel bad. The real projects are gonna perform very well. It's just every bull run, these coins move first. Why? Because the big players want people to invest and make them believe in something that actually has no value. That does not mean that they dump the projects, but there are enough whales in every meme coin that with one sell, they could have a slippage of 80% and everything is gone. They cannot sell. 90% of people that hold whale backs in meme coin projects cannot sell, guys. This is what you don't understand. This is why only people that invest $1,000 in meme coins, $5,000 in meme coins say, oh, I made great money. Those who make 100, 200k in meme coins cannot sell, guys, because they would erase every single one in the order books. And they don't tell you about it. They just shill. They want you to come into their project so they can take you as exit liquidity. Otherwise, they cannot sell, guys. Every single run, it's the same. So don't be confused, okay? Don't tell other people like they are shitty investors because they look for utility. They look for real-world adoption. And it's not happening as quick as it may be thought. That does not mean they are not right, okay? Stay strong, guys. This is all I tell you. So I'm currently waiting for an entry here on Bitcoin, waiting since it broke here. I have a limit order here at, what is it exactly? Yeah, 89, I believe. 89. 67, 589. But yeah, this is a gamble. Just because we are at all-time highs, I mean, this is like a magnet. People now, Bitcoin and all these institutions are FOMOing like meme coin investors, okay? And you can see this in price development. Let's go to another chart. This is, I take this everything away. So what did happen today? Today, the first time in the history of Bitcoin, we attained 70k per Bitcoin. So then we got a harsh rejection of, oh no, that was an easy rejection, 5.5%. Okay, so it got bought back up immediately, as in the last one. So I really thought, like on my videos when I talked about the corrections coming, I really thought this one was it, but it got immediately bought back up, also by ETF investors. So it's a great sign. It's a great sign that we could maybe break all-time highs in the next 2-3 days and then also go. But don't forget, something is going to happen. Some kind of correction could come before or when the halving happens. Okay? Because miners that now are very profitable will not be profitable, or will almost be not profitable anymore once the halving occurs. Like for now, if they find a block, they get, there are 6.25, I believe, Bitcoin block rewards now. And in a few days, I believe it's like 50 days from here, a block reward will be 3.15 Bitcoin. So miners get just half of the coins out of a block as they are used to. So when we were back at, let's say at 30k, at 20k, miners were not profitable, okay? So now they are in big profits, okay? Now they make a lot of money when they find a block. So if it drops harsh after the halving, means that maybe they need to sell some of the coins to pay for their electricity, etc., etc. So the only institutions that I believe can rebuy that when miners dump is the institutions, the ETF. So let's thank God for the Bitcoin maxis that now the banks, which they hate so much on, are buying up their Bitcoin, because otherwise maybe we would still be here at 30k. Okay, so you Bitcoin guys, you should really suck the dick of the banks. Sorry to use that word, but you shitted in their face for 10 years and now you suck their balls because they buy your Bitcoin. You are all morally fucking morons, okay? This is what I think, so now you know. I predict now, let's say it now, I predict the Bitcoin at 200 and between 200 and 250k this bull run. Obviously, we could see higher prices if a certain thing happens. If that does not happen, I would say 244k will be the top. Mark my words. Remind that price, 244. When that happens and we are in the bear market, ask me then how I knew this, okay? Because I predicted the bear bottom in 2019. I predicted the top in 2021. I predicted the bottom in 2022. So guys, let's fucking go. 244 Bitcoin target. Yeah, I will buy Bitcoin. It reaches all-time high. It's gonna go to $250, XRP Ninja said. Bro, you're looking at a 250% move. You're not gonna get rich with that. So use it as an indicator, okay? If Bitcoin now starts to pump above it, close a candle above, come back down. In this move here, I believe altcoins gonna start to run, okay? Maybe also when we go already higher. But we need a little bit more patience. Buy meme coins right now, get wet on these gains, and then hopefully you realize soon enough what you need to buy to make it, okay? I will not change my opinion whatsoever. I know the majority of coins, I know the majority of AI coins, and I just don't believe in it. Do you think we will have the first? Man, I can't see fully your message. 1 second. Do you think we will have the first line for the altcoins once BTC drops by the halving? I mean, when BTC drops, when the halving occurs, we will also see the drop in altcoins. The question is like, look, it's that simple. Let's take this drop here as example. Obviously, with the 52 or what was it, 53% dominance, 53. So here in this chart, you will see once we break this low here at 52%, alt season will start. Okay, when does it happen? I don't know. I don't really know. Back a few weeks ago, when we created this first week, I said, when we came back down, I said we will most likely try to reclaim that week before we go down. So this is what we did. We did not break it yet. So if Bitcoin now makes a monster move to, let's say, 70, 80, 90k, then we will breach this one. But then I believe this will be the reversal to go down. So let's look at how other altcoins, or in general altcoins, could react to that. Look, what is the time frame? 30 minutes. Let's go to 30 minutes here too. Okay, so this, for example, here you can see it. We had our top, which we also had here, and then we had our harsh correction in Bitcoin, which also created that one in Ethereum. But then the recovery was much faster and higher in Ethereum than we went in Bitcoin. So look, since that drop, we basically could say that we are in an alt season. How much are we up? 23%. And here we are up 16%. So Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin in the last 24 to 30 hours. So I believe now is the time, because Bitcoin always is the first mover. So when Bitcoin finally really breaks the highs, it could take like a few days to even a few weeks for the alts, for the people to really realize like, now we are going, you know. And this is when it's gonna happen, in my opinion. No financial advice, obviously. Does this answer your question? If not, I try to formulate it differently. But exactly when it's gonna happen, I don't know. Like, I just don't know. I could tell you something, you know, I could make a lot of predictions of where the prices will go. I just gave it to you for Bitcoin because predicting Bitcoin is very easy. Predicting altcoins is something different, okay? So, Ethereum, for example, if you ask me, there is just a big chance that it could go to 10 to 30k this bull run. Maybe it will stop at 11k, maybe it will go to 28k. I just don't know, you know. So this is how I see it. We need to watch the sentiment. We need to watch the timelines to see when we are at the point where we need to sell, guys. Where is it here? Yeah, it does not want to come down. So this is the last imbalance and order block before all-time highs again. If we don't react here, we're gonna go straight to that high. Maybe there will be another rejection here in the order block. So let's say if we break 69,267, we're gonna break the high. If we reject here, I believe we could see some kind of pullback, blah 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 blah. Everybody thinks Bitcoin is going to 10k and then it's gonna rip. Now guys, now it's the easiest time to trade, okay? It's so easy to make money. Look, also in gold, in every single asset, I just nailed gold 3 days ago, 3 days long, every single day. Look, it's just so easy right now. Look this today, non-fund payroll news, boom, instantly triggered, boom, instantly target, easy money. Here, yesterday, boom, banked $1,600 on this one. No, that was this one. This one, $1,600. This one, $1,000. This one, $1,500. This one, $1,500. Like, it's so easy. When you have a trend, you just need to follow the trend until it is broken. So that's fundamentals of trading. So it's nothing new, but people forget that sometimes, okay? So maybe what could we see now here in gold? Maybe you are not here for gold, but let's see. Next entry could be here. No financial advice, guys. No financial advice. You enter here, you put your stop under these 2 wicks here, and you target the highs. 1 to 3 risk to reward. Easy money, okay? Guys, I don't know if you like or hate Hex. Okay, price is still not. So we are just in front of the biggest trend line support or resistance break ever in the Hex chart, which could lead into a 200 to 300% pump after that, and a great recovery back in bull territory. If that happens, believe me guys, Hex will melt faces, especially eHex. There's no liquidity, guys. This thing will absolutely rip faces. This will make moves like meme coins, okay? No financial advice. Peer, finally. Vulcan Forged, very, very good gaming chain. Very good development. All the great developers are there. Neo Tokyo, Bytes, all these projects nobody is talking about. Guys, these are great projects. Gala Games finally broke out. We made a video back here, down here. We made a video down here telling people about this trend line. Now, the last push I entered was here at 3.3 cents. I FOMO'd in the last time. Didn't really move much yet, but still up 30%. So next move could be from my entry 170%. Then I will sell and I will rotate into smaller cap coins, meme coins. For example, a token I have on my eyes is Music. These are all projects, guys, you will not see because there is no marketing made. You would be in before everything happens. So this is what I'm looking for, not something that already ran 10x, 20x, and I need to catch the right price, otherwise I'm getting wrecked. So here you have a 15 million market cap. Okay, this could make a 10 to 100x in this bull run. Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube, all these guys are behind this project. It's created on Gala Games. So people also don't know that ERC20 tokens pass through Gala ordinals, and the chain is amazing, guys. It had a lot of problems. The community was a little bit pissed off, but things are settling down. Once they are settled down, these things will rip off. Okay, 15 million market cap, still in the beginning. Okay, and it has utility. Look, I will show you. This is what I am looking for when I talk about shit coins. I talk about these projects, and these are not shit coins. It just means they are very low market cap, and everything can happen, you know. Like, look, you want the next Spotify, you want the next Web3 Spotify. Look, Gala Music, Snoop Dogg is behind it. Artists, independent artists can list their albums, NFTs. This is what NFTs were created for, okay? Yeah, look, bro, VIP style. Do you have Gala Music tokens? Because look, you need 100x less investment in Gala Music to make the same money. You know, it's just crazy. Like it has a $14 million market cap. It's nothing. And then there is still also Gala Films, which could be, I just say now, okay, hypothetically, it could be the next Netflix, the next whatsoever. People are here, independent artists, and look, what is the main idea and why do I like that idea so much is because Snoop Dogg once said, when you work for a label, essentially 80 to 90% of these people take all the profits on you as an artist, okay? But what really brings an artist to where he is, it is himself and the fans that love him, okay? So why are the labels the people that make the most money? Because it's a corrupted game, okay? And this will change it. So now you can come here. Once there is a little bit more adoption, once people are more aware of it, artists will start to list this. Think about how many rappers in the US love Snoop Dogg and would love to be in the circle of what he is doing and providing and using this opportunity for themselves. So the main idea is to reward those that bring the artist to where he is today. So instead of giving the gains or the profit that is being made with a song or an album going back to the label, now those who really bring the artist to where he is are gonna profit with them. Okay, so if Snoop Dogg tomorrow releases here a song, for example, and he makes, let's go try and find here some. I will just click the first one, okay? So he made 300 available NFTs on these songs. So 300 people can own a share of that song. If that song goes viral, people want to buy it, want to own it, this is how the price will go up. So the fans can make money with the artists together. And that's the idea behind it. So this is just an amazing idea for me. Okay, I really believe that if people get their eyes on this, this will make a huge difference in the music and film industry. It has a 14 million market cap, guys. It's just hilarious. Look. And guys, this is not financial advice. This is very risky. But for me, this is one of the greatest shitcoins out there, okay? Because music drives me. Music drives myself, my soul, my life. I'm listening music every day, all day, okay? It makes my mood, it destroys my mood. I just love music. I live for it. So I see the potential in this, okay? But still, it is a shitcoin, okay? It is a shitcoin with a great vision and great people behind it, okay? This is all I know. Look, 13 million market cap, but there is just 100 million tokens, so 10% are out, okay? So, which means that it depends on how quickly they release. You will find that in the white paper, how quickly they release the tokens on the market. So let's say in the next bull run, or at the top of the bull run, we will have maybe 200 to 300 million coins. So to get to 1 billion, which every project will do in the top 100, this one will be like 2 billion. If it happens to reach the top 100 cryptocurrencies in this bull run, you could see easily 50 to 100x on this one, okay? Great project, great project. So these are the shitcoins I am investing in, okay? So we see what difference people have when they say shitcoins, okay? Some people say it's a shitcoin when it's not moving like others, like XRP. It's a shitcoin. It's still at 70 cents. You will stay broke your whole life. Yes, okay, let's see. Galag, where is it now? Yeah, it got rejected here, came back up. Let's see, closer. Yeah, we would need at least to break this trend line here. And this, let's say, resistance. I would love to see it break this 45 or 4.5 cents again. If we break this 4.5 cents, I believe we're gonna get the next push. And yeah, that's basically it. Be careful. When Bitcoin could down pretty hard, we are back again at almost 69,000. I really hope that the price comes back down. Sometimes it goes really fast, guys, so don't be over greedy. Like if you, like for example, I put that order here in when we were here, and now it's going up. I do not touch anything. Like if I miss, I miss. But imagine I go in here, for example, I do the same as I do here. First of all, my risk to reward is a lot worse. And let's take the same. What is it? So let's say you enter in here and whoop, it makes a quick sweep to the downside and goes up. You lose your money, okay? So this is why I am always patient. I can give you an example on gold from 2 days ago. Like, look, for example, today I entered in this imbalance. So the whole day I was like, I don't know, the 200 moving average, it's a little bit low, but they are. I told to a friend of mine, like, I said maybe I'm not gonna get triggered, but if I'm gonna get triggered, it's gonna be an amazing trade. And look, just because of the news, boom, came up and then broke back to the upside. Same thing here. The whole day we did Asia sideways action, then we broke the highs in London, came back down for New York Open, and then we pushed. Look at this entry, guys. It's not magic. It's just when you do this for years and years, one day it makes click in your brain, okay? And then everything works out. It's just the patience. You don't need to get rich this bull run. It would be amazing, of course, for everyone, but try to really see it as a marathon. Like, somebody that makes 10x more money this run than you maybe loses it in the next one, or loses it in the bear market or whatsoever. You never know. So don't be frustrated when you see people make a lot of money. 99% will not take the money out. Okay? It looks really like we're gonna break it today. Again, guys, we're gonna break it. We're gonna go to 70k. Mark my words, today. We're gonna to fucking 70k. Put the flame in the chat. Put a flame in the chat if you see it that way. Are we gonna break it? If you put a flame in the chat, means that you believe we're gonna break 69k today again. 69.44. If we break 69.444, we're gonna spike through this 70k, guys. Let's fucking go. And then quickly, I had my first video, my last video I posted did 1,600 views. My first video over 1,000 views. I really appreciate you guys, okay? I really appreciate you for being active. We are not where we should be, but we will get there, guys. We will get there, okay? I will promise you that in the next 5 years we're gonna have hundreds of people in this life, okay? Sometimes I have like 30 people here, sometimes I have like 3 people here. For now there were 10 people in the live, still now we are 4. So let's go, guys. If you have some questions, if you want to make if you want me to make a technical analysis on any of your favorite projects, it can be meme coins, it can be shit coins, small caps, mid caps, big caps, AI, gaming, I just don't care. Candles are candles and stay the same all the time. Yeah, man, VIP style. Let's fucking go. That would be great. Let's see, did something changed? Nah, in the bubbles nothing really changed. I really like this crypto bubble stuff. Like, it really gives you an instantly, like, even if you go to the hourly, you can see like exactly. For example, if you ask yourself which coin is the best dip right now in the last hour, in the last hour the best dip to buy is Renda, IMX, okay? So in the day, which is the best coin to buy? Bro, people will buy this today. Like, they are buying right now like crazy. This one too. Like, look, it made 12x in a month, but people are frothing out of their mouth to get in there. ADA chart, let's go. ADA did a good recovery, guys. Good to see. I'm not in ADA, but I like the community. As always, it's a little bit referable to the XRP community. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of... Yeah, last bull run was a great bull run. I did a big mistake, guys. I will tell you this now, okay? I bought ADA at 1.8 cents. I bought ADA at 1.8 cents and sold it at 12 cents, guys, last bull run. Like a big fucking moron. But yeah, imagine I would have held this coin to here. I would be, because I think I put in like 5k here. I would be quite rich, you know, like just with that investment. So these are things that happen, guys. Like, I have multiple projects that I missed like that. I was a long time also exposed too much into XRP, which took away some gains that I could have made on other projects. This time I am invested in a little bit more projects, and especially in projects that can make huge gains, which could even outperform my 2% bags of XRP. Because, guys, I'm in the 1-2% of XRP holders, so I don't care. If the thing prevails, man, the sky is the limit, guys. If I would own like 5,000 XRP, it would be different, but I own a lot more. Yeah, man, you say it. Damn, bro, that broke my heart last bull run. I can tell you something. Like, missing out on an opportunity can be even harder than a beer market. Like, I tell you guys, it's really, really crazy when you own. Look, I had the same with Injective. Just quickly, where is it? I bought Injective at 156. I sold it at 5, and then when it came back to 165, I didn't bought back in because I was focused on other projects, like, and then it did a 30x. You know, it's just like I felt like a moron, guys. Like, really, like the best opportunity, and I miss it. I hold it like 2,000, 3,000 Injective token in the beer market. Like, it's just crazy. But we made gains, obviously, but it could have been a lot better. Okay, just from this perspective on ADA, let's continue. Just on this perspective, the most conservative next target would be 144. So Bitcoin already reached that high, and Ethereum we have here. Sorry. So this will be the next target for ADA. Obviously, once we break that alt season, I mean, all-time highs are surely breakable this time again. So when you ask me how high can we go, I don't really know, but I believe like $6 to $10 is surely possible in this bull run. But take profits then, guys, because it will most likely maybe not even reach the $6, so don't be too greedy. I mean, you need really also to have your feet on the ground in crypto, just because it is as volatile as it is. Like, imagine the last 100 years, people were happy when they made 70% a year on their investments. We get shitted in the face with XRP because it just did 150% move from the bottom. Like, what? The bull run didn't even start it. Like, chill out. So yeah, do you want me to go deeper? What do you want me to? I can go deeper, guys. I really can go deeper. Like this is, for example, the next great buying zone, if that even happens, which most likely will not. But if it comes down, 50 cent would be a great entry again. Otherwise, let's see. I really like to use Fibonacci because I believe more in the potential of human nature than myself. Like, I don't make technical analysis based on what I believe. I always make technical analysis on what nature tells me, because Fibonacci represents everything we are. Okay, even your bones, from your shoulder down to your fingers, the bones you have there are all Fibonacci numbers. The plants you have in your garden are all based on Fibonacci numbers. Everything moves on Fibonacci numbers. It's just a representation of how torus fields work on this planet. Okay, this is a representation of our density. Okay, so I use these tools. It's not just a retracement. This is obviously just a retracement tool, but I use it because a sequence is there once we reach the 0.382% correction level. You can say that this is a sequence. One sec. So now, where we broke the sequence, or where we activated the sequence, because a sequence is like an ABC pattern, and in that ABC pattern you can find an Elliott wave. I heard people say, bro, look at him. He puts ABC retracement patterns for a bullish move. But bro, it's like, I do this for 6 years and I backtested this over 10,000 hours, guys. Like, it's working for real. Okay, so next target on this Fibonacci extension would be 245 for Cardano if we don't break these lows here. As long as we hold 45 cents on ADA, you will most likely see the first target being hit at 125 to 127. Then a break of this would mean a move to 247. Okay, so let's say we would come back to this level here, then the sequence would be a little bit less powerful, but more people would come in because of good prices. So let's say it goes to the 1618, you would still have, actually it's the same. It's the same. So yeah, next target 245, easy money. Okay, this is most likely gonna happen in the next two months. Okay, if it corrects like this, don't forget to buy some more. Okay, if you want to make great money, you need really to put some money in. Okay, because otherwise you need to trade meme coins. If you don't have like enough money that a 10x or 20x can change your life, you also need meme coins in your portfolio. Was this good? I even give you a price prediction, which I don't like to do. No, it's not a price prediction, sorry. It is just what Fibonacci gives us, okay? So let's do it again to be sure. Bruh, what am I doing? Yeah, so remember this target here. This will most likely happen pretty fast once Bitcoin is going into all-time highs. Or it's like closing the weekly over the all-time highs and continues to run. So look, for me, even for those people that don't like ADA, it's a lot better investment than Bitcoin and all these other coins, even better than Ethereum. Because if Ethereum goes to 50k, which is unrealistic, it would make, let's say, 12x from here. Okay, here you have a 3x to the all-time highs. So let's say it goes to like $6, you also have a 10x, and that would mean like not an overextension like Ethereum if it goes to 50k. I most likely believe Ethereum will top out between 10 and 25k, which would put your investment in a lot better place on Cardano, obviously, because the weight is getting more and more and more. So it's going to be a lot harder to push it, depending on when the Ethereum ETF narrative will start. It really depends. If until January 2025 the ETF is still not approved, guys, you can be to 90% sure that the Ethereum ETF launch will be the top of this bull run. Okay, if it's gonna come out in mid 2024, let's say beginning quarter 2024, maybe even December, November, that could be great. But if it's coming out next year, let's say in January, maybe we're gonna have a quick last run up and then it's over, guys. This is something they will not tell you when the narrative starts building. They will tell you this will be the greatest ETF, this will be this, and this will be that. And the moment it comes, it will be a sell the news event into the bear market. So remember that, guys. Anything else you want me to watch? XRP, for example, quick overview. Still waiting for... Look, this is the first time we are really in front of a bull run testing this trend line. Look, from the last bottom to the trend line, just for this 2,300 days trend line. If we manage, look, from last bear market to the top, it was a 12x to reach just a trend line. Now we are away 11% from a 2,300 day trend line. It's the first time in the history. No, we did it basically back there, but it wasn't that long, you know. This took one bear market, when you look at time, almost the same than here, okay? So that's why I thought maybe it's gonna have its last push, last bull run, and it didn't do it. So now we have a great launch pad for this bull run, but if you don't look at technicals, you will never see it. You will never see it. If you just listen to news, if you just listen to what people say, if you just listen to YouTubers, even including me, you will never see what's coming, okay? But just technically, the target of a break of a trend line like this is the top of the trend line, which would be $3.30, okay? This is like the most conservative target for me for XRP, this bull run. Once we break this, I believe we're gonna skyrocket to this one. And then it depends on what's gonna happen after that, okay? Focus on this trend line break. The rest will come, guys, believe me. The rest will come. Don't listen to people that invested $100 in meme coins and now made 5K and they are the biggest, have the biggest balls now, are Robinhood investors, and tell you what's right, what's wrong. If you go look into my last chat, I destroyed people. People just shit in your face with no arguments that have any weight or credibility. It's just hilarious. Yes, I'm in profit figuring if I should sell and catch a downturn. Thanks. That could be very risky to sell. Obviously, taking profits never made someone poor, but that's the problem with the bull run. Like, if you catch great prices, then realize that you caught great prices, and maybe the price will never go back there. So maybe now you are impatient or you feel fear or uncertainty when it comes to your investment. But if tomorrow we are at $2, you regret selling because maybe it never came down, you know? And that would place you not in a good position in the bull run. So what I would do is try to save some money from your work, your job. Try to really put down your costs on what you spend every month. Maybe don't go to the restaurant anymore. Maybe refuse to go out with your friends or something, and really dedicate yourself the next 365 days because they could change your life, okay? And don't sell too early is also something, because most sell too early or too late. And these two things will take out the opportunity to make big money, okay? So I would much rather focus on finding some liquidity by saving money from your paycheck or something and re-entering once you dip down, okay? If you do not dip down, great, you make money. Then you take that money that you would have invested in ADA, you put it into other projects, AI projects, gaming projects, or whatever, you know? Like, it's never too late. Like, in my opinion, the projects that will run the most maybe don't even are launched yet. So a lot of projects will come out now in the bull run, and you need to be prepared And then maybe if you find a good token you really want to buy, you can sell some, you know, to buy that token. So can you look at DMTR? Okay, what's the other project? What's your opinion on Matic? Let's see. DMTR. What is this? Dimitri. Okay, I heard about that coin. Yeah, obviously, like this coin can, I don't know what's the market cap. Let's go check. Oh. Yeah, obviously, my friend, this can easily make a 10 to 20x, 30x. Even if it's a shitcoin, like even if it does nothing, I believe 200 million it can reach. If it's a good project, which I don't know, it could easily make 500 million to a billion market cap. So yeah, 50x easy. No, 10x would be 240 million. What is this? Yeah, it's almost, everything is almost circulating. So 10x would put it at 240 million market cap and 100x at 2.5 billion. It's AI farming. Okay. Bro, thanks for this project. I will take a look into that. Thanks, man, really. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. I will let that open. Then, what was the other one? Matic. Look, if you are very rich and you have like 1, 10, 100 million in blockchain and you have them in Matic, be careful, my guy. Be careful, because they have public keys. Like they can erase all the tokens if they want from a certain wallet or whatsoever. Now this is the market cap. That's why I don't hold any. I hold some last bull run, made good profits, but yeah. I mean, it can perform great. I mean, nothing about that. So, what was that? That was the bull run. Top or what? Okay. Yeah, that was the bull run top. Okay. So, okay, the bottom was not reached, which is a good sign too. The bottom was here. That was the target, 25 cents. It got bought up back before that, so that's a great sign. That means that there is community and there were people just waiting for the price to hit a certain area. Also, we had an imbalance here which got closed. So now everything is closed. Just this imbalance and order block is the only one left. But since Bitcoin is pumping and we are breaking out here, very important level. Yeah, next move easily to 160. Easy. Once you break that, all-time highs are basically here. Because after that you have that imbalance which is already closed. So there will not be too much down pressure here. Here imbalance is closed. I would say here will be significant resistance. Let's say at $2. $2 could come really significant resistance. But if you're in now, you should not care what happens there. So you just ride the wave, my friend. Like, there's a decent chance you could reach the $6 too. Okay. Is that okay for you? Guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Put some fire emojis in the chat. That would really help my YouTube channel to go further and reach more people. Because it's not that easy today on YouTube. As I said, my first video that made more than 1,600 views was 5 days ago, and it was on XRP. So if there are people that are asking why you make these XRP videos, it's because they are the most generous community. They like my videos, they comment on my videos. So that's why I do it, and because I have big bags of XRP. So I'm in this community since a long time. They are very grateful for my videos. They are also the reason why I created my YouTube channel. So I will stay loyal to them, you know. Obviously, we know we are all here for money. You look my videos for money. So let's try to make something great out of that, not just the money. The waifu dog wife had, my god, 12x. Yeah, I mean, okay, it's not that crazy for a meme coin, to be honest. I mean, Shiba Inu did like 79 million X last bull run, so this is nothing, like, really. 500% in a year. Bitcoin did 300%, so it's not that great either. It's just that it did it more quick than others, and it looks like, oh my god, you know, but at the end it's not really that much. To make a 5%, to make a 500%, let's say in Floki, you risk basically all your investment that to go to zero, to potentially now have made 5x on your investment. Like, yoo-hoo, same here. Okay, 62x every single day of this year, you risk to lose everything. Okay, because there's nothing, there's no substance. Look, 16 billion dollars. Like, what? It's okay, you know. I like it because that shows when something runs up, when XRP breaks all-time high, all these guys are gonna froth at their mouth and buy it, for example. Let's fucking go. Jasmine, I made a great play last bull run. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, I already saw that. I made a great play in Jasmine last bull run. I bought it with profits I made, no, even lower. We cannot see it on Coinbase. But basically, I bought it at, I believe, 2 cents, 2.5 cents, and ran it up to 28 cents. 10x on the profit I made. So that was a really great last one before the bear market. This paid me 6 months of Thailand. Was great. I loved it. So also, most likely, end of this bull run, you will see me make videos in Thailand, because I will go there for a few months. And I will bring in great energy in the stream, because right now I'm grinding, I'm in my room, I'm like looking, investing, trading, and I'm on my grind right now. So when the day comes and I'm in Thailand, I'm gonna make great content for you guys. Maybe also a vlog and that stuff, but this is for the future, just saying. This is our time, guys. I feel it. Boom. 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 10x. Great, man. Guys, don't forget to take profits on that. Like, it's not gonna do that. Maybe. I wish it. But yeah, don't be too greedy, guys. These are basically just people buying higher prices than you bought. So, but nothing else. It's just speculation, nothing else. It's frothing at the mouth like little dogs, like, I want PV to go to 1 cent. This one I took great positions into. Look, it never had a bear market, this one. This one will have a harsh bear market this time, I can tell you. Wherever it will top, I don't know. But this will have a quite harsh bear market, I believe. Let's see. Floki. Yeah, everything is at all-time highs for meme coins. Last bull run, this was a top sign, guys. I don't hope this time it's the top sign. But I also believe like we are more used to meme coins, so maybe that's why we are running already now. Look, now we reached that extension, okay? Be careful, guys. So maybe, yeah, people wanted to make quick money before the bull run starts, and that's why it's happening. And obviously, everyone that comes into the space will most likely buy blue candles or green candles like this than, for example, a great project like, I don't know, there are so many, like HBAR, for example. People buy now Bitcoin here, Solana here, Pepe here, and everything here, you know, but they miss actually the huge ones, okay? The things that gonna change the world, you know. Look, you also have from the bottom or the ultimate bottom to the high, you have like 15x, 30x, 50x. Like, what do you need, guys? Dude, it's crazy. Obviously, the projects that can make you 1000x, you put not a lot of money in, so maybe I take a 15x position and make more money than someone that has made 150x on a shitcoin, you know, because they just have that economic influx, you know. It's just different. Why is JP Morgan and BlackRock and these guys not buying Pepecoin? There's a reason, guys. Yeah, I mean, it had a great run-up, so be careful too here. I would say, wait, what was it? I need to look back. No, I would say, nah, stay here. This could perform very well. I mean, you can diversify, but it's not because I don't believe in what they do that they don't succeed, you know? It's just like when you have, let's say, 10,000 bucks on the chain, nothing will happen. But if you make millions and next bull run you expose yourself into Matic, and the government is calling Polygon and saying, listen, this guy doesn't pay taxes and we know he has wallets on your chain, then you should be a little bit more careful, guys. Yeah, if you bought last year, guys, you should chill, okay? You should chill, do nothing and sit on your fucking bags, okay? Your coin can make a 5x as it can do a 50x. You cannot know it. Just sit on your bags, chill out, make money with your job, with your business, and reaccumulate. For example, if now, let's say, you're not really exposed to AI. This is a project, for example, I like too in AI. Imagine AI is the project. So instead of trying to rotate that way, try to take out some profits. Let's say you put in $1,000 on Matic and now you are up to 2,500. Maybe take $500 to $700 and put it in something like this, you know? Small market cap, big potential to the upside, great community, good projects, still a shitcoin. Because at the end, if there is no weight, it's still a shitcoin. But this can turn from a shitcoin into a top 50 or top 150 coin, you know? And you can make your due diligence on a coin like that. You can actually see why the project can be more than $1 billion market cap one day. You know, it's not just the face of a fucking meme. Like, you can actually do your due diligence on it and manage your risk, you know. If you put 1% of your portfolio in meme coins, it's okay. You manage your risk, you lose it, you make it, whatever. What you heard of Rose? You mean Oasis? Rose. Let's go check. This was a great performer in the final stage of last bull run. Believe me, guys, I know all these coins. I know them all, every single one, okay? Same here, same here. Like Ethereum just broke this high here, 33 cents. So if you bought along the way, just hold it, it's gonna pop, okay? It's gonna make it. It looks great. Look, and this is also why I bought Gala before the break. Look, just compare these two here, for example. No matter if you believe in Gala in the next 10 years or whatsoever, it does not matter. It is technical. It shows you what it wants to do before it does it. It's always the same every single time, okay? You see? What do you see? Okay, so what do we have here? Break of trend line, 190% move. 190% move. So that would bring Gala to 10 cents. I bought it at 3.3 a few days ago. So that would put me at 200% in maybe like what, 2, 3, 4 weeks? Take it out, put some in Gala music, put some in AI coins, put some here, put some there, boom. Next one. Okay? The only bag, guys, I'm really holding and not touching is XRP. The rest I trade. I make 100, 300, 400, 600%, taking it out, reinvesting in something that didn't pop yet. As this example here, like, boom, it started, let's say you invested back here at 4.6 cents. You made 300%. You take half out, you put it here at the breakout, boom, you make another 300%. You know? It's easy, guys, it's easy. But or you just wait for it to perform, like, and you put new money you made in your job, in your business, and invested in coins that didn't broke the highs, have a legit project, have a good chain, have a great community. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for community, I'm looking for world-changing projects, I'm looking for that kind of things, you know. I'm not interested in 100x in meme coins. Maybe with 1% of my bags, yes, which I did, but I'm already out, guys. I'm out of this. I don't care if it makes it 30x more. I just don't care, guys. This is not real investing, guys. Real investing is understanding what you invest in, is understanding where it goes. This is due diligence. It's knowing the potential, okay? It's not hoping for potential. No big investment institution, things like that. And if you want to make it in the next 20, 30, 50 years in crypto, you need to start thinking like that. If you have small banks, if you have small bags right now, use it as a tool to create bigger bags, to then reinvest in solid projects, guys. But bro, thank you for this one. I already looked at it. And I didn't really pay attention, which I should have. But that's how it is, guys. There are too many projects. You cannot just not... Okay, KuCoin, that's great. That's great. If it does a 10%, 15, 20% dip, I'm gonna go in there. Then here, guys, we are just in front of a break, guys. This was one of the best performing assets in the last 4 years. This dump here was a stock split, okay? So now there are 2 times more tokens. Obviously, the first 50% dump was very natural. People got tokens on the other chain too, so they are not down that badly. But here are big gains to make, guys. If you want to really gamble, I would prefer to gamble on projects like this one than meme coins. Look, to the all-time highs is a 4055x, okay? even if it just reaches the 12-cent mark again, or 13 cents, this would be a 10x from here. Okay, if you compare it to now, let's say the break of this one, and you put a 10x on this, that would bring you to $1.30 on Rose. Okay, so a 10x is a lot. Okay, so if I go back to Hex and I put that to the bottom of the chart, to the all-time high, you will see this is 100x away. Okay, so if you bought the bottom here on Hex and it manages, let's say you bought not even the lowest candle, but if it manages to go up to 13 cents, you make 40x. If it goes to all-time high, you made 170x on this. So this is a project, for example, I would put in more than 5-10k, and you have great upside potential. You have community, you have product market fit, and you have all these things. What, Rose or Hex? I see the stream is lagging. The stream is lagging a little bit behind. So, oh wait. No, okay. You VIP, you were talking about Hex or what? Guys, if you're on the stream and you like it, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. That would really help me to grow my channel. I try to come live as often as I can, and to make it more visible for people, I try to re-upload important moments of the live stream into a new video, so you have like a 5 to 15 minute video to watch on the most important information I gave out on the live. All my videos are made in live, so I'm not researching anything. I'm here authentically talking about what I believe, what I see. So all my videos, even the videos I re-upload, are fully authentic of who I am, who I know, what I believe in. You will not find this on YouTube, guys. People prepare their YouTube videos and then they cut out when they said something wrong, and they make a recollage and stuff. So yeah, I try to be as authentic as I can, so to show you that I have experience in these markets, not just here to make followers and money, you know. Obviously, I am not yet a YouTube partner, so all the guys that are active in my community before I become a partner will be like moderators and admins after that in my channel, Discord channels. I will create courses that are already in the making, which will come out at the end of the bull run, so that people have something to learn during the bear market to prevail in the next cycle. So this is what I have planned, and yeah, you can be a part of it. If not, that's great too. So if in the next 5-10 minutes there are no new questions or something, I will leave it here. It's Friday, it's weekend, let's enjoy it. Maybe Bitcoin will reach its all-time high during the weekend, which is probably gonna happen. That's why they dumped it before the weekend. So during the weekend, when there is just basically retail, and retail thinks, oh, the ETFs are closed, they will buy behind closed doors, guys. This is what's happening since years. They are not just buying Bitcoin now, they bought it along the way BlackRock, now it's a war of assets. So all these institutions try to front run the bull run. That's why we see what we see, okay? Let's go. If we break this high here, I will move my entry to this imbalance here. As long as we don't break it, I will let it here, because a harsh rejection can quickly bring it down to this price, which would give me a very great entry. Otherwise, I would need to do this, and yeah, that would be a 1 to 7 to risk to reward to all-time highs, but I usually only get into a trade because once we go back up, we will break the highs, okay? So I believe even from here, a 1 to 3 risk to reward to 71, 72 could be quite possible in the next 48 hours. And if you want, guys, I can show you how it looks like on my YouTube studio to show you like the work, the grind. It's like people don't realize it, but content creator, they really put a lot of work in. Look, I made 50 videos since 90 days. So almost, when you combine it, it's almost a video every 2 days. I started it from scratch. Like back then I knew a YouTuber, which now is a little bit different. Like something got into his head. He's not the same guy he was before, but still very grateful that I have met him, because we did a Zoom call when I was working in an investment fund 2020. We called together and we were on the call for like 1.5 hours on Instagram, the first call. And because I reached out to him on Instagram, telling him we have the same kind of perception when it comes to that. So then we had like this 1 hour conversation, and he told me like, bro, we need to go on Zoom call and talk about this and potentially create a video out of it, because what you say is crazy. And I was like, okay, let's do it. And then we were 4 hours on this Zoom call. And then he uploaded like 17 videos from that. And we got like almost 100,000 views on all of this. And people were in the comments saying, does he have a YouTube channel? I want more content from this guy. And that was the reason why I have this channel, guys. Otherwise, I would not do it. This was an opportunity that life gave me. It was nothing that I chased. I would still do what I do without this, okay? It's just that trading, day trading in general is a lonely game. People think we are all here together, but basically we are adversary. Like, I can tell you, let's say we are at the bull run top and I have a lot to sell. I tell people, yeah, Bitcoin is gonna make another 100%. So people come in and I can sell my bags on them. So all these crypto community chats, basically you need to understand you are all adversary. The day will come, you will dump into your faces, okay? So don't look as these guys as your friends, okay? They just want to know your next move. And yeah, basically that's why I created this channel. As you see, for example, here are all the lives I'm doing. Which was it? The big pump. Look, this was a 1 hour live I did. But when you go to the video, I re-uploaded a 16-minute video from that live, for people to not try to find the great information which I streamed for an hour, okay? So that's why I re-upload these things, okay? I try really my best because I'm really new in the game. Cutting videos is not my let's say, my greatest skill. So I'm learning, you know. It's a journey, and I believe like that I really can make 10 20x on my subs in the next 2 years. So yeah, let's go, guys. You are now in the first 1,000 people watching my channel, and I will always be grateful for that. A few faces here that are here more often, I will always recognize them. I will always know who they are. They will have extra badges in the live chat so that people know they were here from the day one. They know what they talk about, because I know if they listen to me, there is no shit coming out of their mouth in the chat. Okay, so that's why the people that are here from day one will get a reward from that. Okay, they will get coupon codes to refer people to my courses, which they can take a partial, let's say 30% of the profit which people pay me. You will get coupon codes to get like 50 to 30 to 50% off from my courses, etc., etc. So I am trying to build a concept for the future, which I'm not talking about yet. So if you know me, you know that I'm a great visionary. You know that I'm a very spiritual, emotionally intelligent guy. And I really want to share the knowledge that I gained over the last 10 years. I was very sick for the last 10 years. I had disease. I had major things going on into my life, and I basically needed to go back to God for my life to change. Okay, guys? So you never know who is sitting behind the screen, okay? So those who see it are like me. And those who are like me, we will win in this lifetime, guys. We will fucking win, okay? This is all I can tell you. So now I just show you the last thing here. So this was my most successful video right now. 1,600 views, 37 comments, 41 likes, 7.7% of people that saw my video clicked on it. So that was a really great performance. Look, 40 to 140 views are like the normal range of what my videos get. This one got 1,600 views. So this is why I make XRP content, guys, because it just fucking works. And on the other side, my biggest knowledge, the thing I know the most in crypto is Ripple and XRP. So I could talk 24 hours, 24/7 about it, and I would still have things to say, you know. So this is, since I started the 8th of December, I generated 5,600 views, 355 watch hours. So this is already more than 10% of what I need to reach to become a YouTube partner, okay? So it's also you guys that need to help me to reach that. Show my channel to people. If you really think that I'm helping out on what I do, show it to people, refer them to my YouTube channel, and maybe I can also help them in some situations be more confident, or really, like as he said, I'm gonna sell to buy H-bar. Why? It makes, for the moment, it just makes no sense. Like, these are things like where can put people in a more comfortable position, telling them, listen, you just broke a major resistance zone. Maybe it will consolidate for 1 or 2 weeks, and then the next move will happen. So stay calm, try to find some money, reinvest, find some projects that didn't do that pump yet. So and that way we will find great synchronicity, guys. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really thankful for you to be here. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to leave some comments on videos you like. And with that being said, guys, 70K, we're gonna reach all-time high again. Let's fucking go. See you on the next one. Bye bye.